All right, guys, Alex out here at Transwest Truck Trailer RV here in Kansas City, Custom Hauler Trucks on Facebook. Guys, we have a 2024 we just took in on trade. It's a Ram 3500 Limited Longhorn. This truck has all the bells and whistles, Cummins high output, Aisin transmission, fancy interior, electric running boards. Let's jump in and take a look real quick. First thing you notice on this truck, guys, is the aftermarket Ranch Hand brand bumper. This is aftermarket. Ranch Hand is name brand. I know they put them on a lot of the fancy trucks like Western Hauler, Laredo, so on and so forth, that we build on our big Freightliners. It is a big name brand. It is quality. Coming around the side, check out the tires. They are aftermarket, not what they come from the factory with from Ram. They're Nexen. They are in really good shape. No cupping that we can see on any of them, which is uncommon for any dually, as most of you guys know. This does have the chrome appearance package. Once again, on the wheels, you have the Alcoa wheels all the way around. Chrome appearance all the way around as well, from lights, badges, grille, etc. I mentioned that this truck had the power running boards, so you do have power running boards. Super nice feature if you're getting in, you're a little shorter, you're a little heavier set like I am, whatever it may be, makes it just way easier to jump in there. I did take a look at the MSRP sheet on this. We do have that here. Guys, this was $106,000 plus original MSRP. Every bell and whistle it could possibly have. 50 gallons of fuel, that's the big tank available on this. Once again, Alcoa rear wheels. Coming to the back, limited Longhorn edition. Guys, you don't see too many of these trucks out here. Does have a nice bed cover. Also, spray-in bed liner. It does have a B&W companion fifth wheel hitch already installed. It is mounted on the Ram puck system. It's a pretty neat feature. The folks just use this truck to move their fifth wheel around. Doesn't look like they've done anything else with it. Also has the bumper hitch here. Doesn't look like that was used hardly at all. Very minimal wear. In case I didn't say it, this truck has just a little over 16,000 miles. Hardly any miles on this thing, not even broken in. Maybe had an oil change or two. Hell, who knows? It might have been us that did the first oil change. Who knows? Coming around the other side, obviously, you've got the steps again on this side. You have the 360-degree cameras, so you've got cameras underneath here. You got cameras up front, in the back, at the cargo bay. Cameras literally everywhere on this thing. LED headlights, LED fog lights, tow hooks on the front, and bright chrome Ram front grille. Let's jump inside and take a look and see what the inside has to offer on this Ram. All right, guys, here we are inside this Ram Limited Longhorn. Has the nice brown leather style interior, gives it a nice dark look inside. Real wood accents throughout. Lots of storage space, lots of charging space, cup holders in the center console, big storage space down below, and then you have a secondary storage space there. Ram has the giant center touchscreen here with all of your trailer buttons, tow haul, trailer steering, comfort control, radio, GPS, all of it all involved in that center screen there. Up front, the big change they made on the Rams was here in the center, all of your gauges have gone completely digital, no analog, so you can see all the information right here up front. You can also go through, edit that, change it, so on and so forth. Another neat feature on this truck is up here in the mirror in the camera. So it is not only your normal mirror, but it also goes digital to show one of the cameras out back, so you get a perfect view out back of those vehicles that are parked there and the FedEx guy pulling up to do his delivery. Jump in the back seat here. Tons of room back here for everything. You've got the flip down armrest here, acts as a double for a third seat. Both seats on either side are heated and they flip up. And this folds down flat so that you can have extra working space here or a flat surface to put any kind of luggage, dog crates, groceries, whatever it is you need to store here inside, you can do that easily. All right, guys, USB charging here in the center, 110 volt plug in here for phone charger. Nice little storage space right there. Rear AC and heat coming back to the back, and super nice pockets to store stuff in the back of the seats. Guys, this truck is available, super cheap. MSRP on this truck was $107,000, a little over 106, little under 107. We're asking $85,995 for this truck. Guys, we've got some deals going on to blow this thing out before the end of the month. $79,995. Let's get this thing out of here. $79,995 for a 2024 limited Longhorn, 16,000 miles. Guys, if you have questions, 816-489-8298. 816-489-8298. Thanks, y'all.